Alright, welcome back to Big Pulls Down Under, and today we're going to be opening an entire box of Lost Origin Pokemon. Very much looking forward to these. I think I've got a little Pokemon addiction going on at the moment. So this dude here, we want to find his special card in there. His VMAX, I believe it is, or whatever. I'm still learning, or V-Star, or whatever it is. I'm still learning about Pokemon. I'm getting there, but that's what we're looking for. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, here we go, pack one. So, I do believe this is the most sought after character in this set. I believe. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's it. In his super rare variety, I think it is. But yeah, let's find out if we can find one, eh? Alright, we got Ducklet. Actually, I'm not even going to worry about reading them all out. Let's just go through it. Bronzor. Alright, Greedent. In the reverse holo. See, I even know what they are now. Ooh, we got a holo. Barbaracle. Very nice. And then we got our base, commons, whatever you want to call them. Love the artwork on these things. So damn cool. I think that's what's got me hooked. Was I just love these. Look, I mean, even these simple little common ones, the picture looks really cool. Alright, let's go. Electric. I love disc. Gotta love the names in these little pictures. Alright, we've got Manectric in the reverse holo. And, ooh, what do we got here? Drapion V-Star. Look how cool that picture looks, man. That's what I mean. I don't know if they're worth anything or nothing. But that's irrelevant, really, because the artwork is so damn cool. We're going to keep these full art V-Stars and Vs separate. And then we've got the rest. I know these videos for Pokemon on my channel don't get many views, but that's alright. Some people watch them. I enjoy opening them. So, I mean, that's what it's all about. There's a whole range of different things that everybody likes. Alright, we've got Fantina. And that's it. Yeah, I don't just open stuff for views. I open stuff that I enjoy. I open stuff that obviously others enjoy too, but I need to enjoy it as well. And I like these. What do we got? Let's go. Shellos, Binnacle, Porygon, Ducklet. Look at that little fella. Alright, we've got Blipbug in the reverse. And, ooh, we got another holo. Darkrai. Look how cool that picture looks. Yeah, I hope you guys can see those pretty clear. That looks really cool. Alright, as you can tell, I'm no professional. I just do it because I enjoy it. Ducklet again. Rockruff. Seal. Arc Phone. Wow, look at that. That looks cool. And, oh, how cool does that look? Wow. Well, that's just a, well, it's not a common, but yeah, there's no foil or anything on it. Very cool. Alright, we got Rockruff, Seal, Shuppet, Machop. Oh, Oh, we got Pikachu. Look at that. Very nice. Chuck him over there because it's Pikachu. Then we got Goomy. Oh, we got one. Oh, wow, look at that. Galaround Berserker. Wow, feeling fine. That looks cool. Look at that. I like it. There's the old arc phone. That looks really sick. You gotta love it. Alright. Oh, we got Pikachu again. Fantop. Sudowoodo. Electric. Love Disc. And we got Haunter. Oh wow, look at the picture on that. That looks sick. I wish I could draw like these guys do. And we got Honchkrow. I do believe they're not just a regular card. I'll start putting them a bit separate, I think. This is what we want to find right here. Alright. Ghastly. Beanicle. Murkrow. Wurmple. Clefairy. Alright, we got a reverse hollow Nuzleaf and Comfy. Yeah, so he's got like a star down here. So I'm guessing he's not just a normal. So we'll put him over there. And then we got Bronzong. Alright, Clefairy, Apom, Spinarak, Litwick, Roselia, and we've got Electric, and oh, we got another hollow. We got Zorak. Zorak. Don't know. Looks cool, that. Alright, Electric, Ghastly, Beanicle, Murkrow, Wurmple. Oh, Radiant. Geez, I've had a few of these. I got Radiant Steelix. I think it's like the third time I've hit him. I've hit him a few times in loose packs. And, oh, we got another one. And, oh, an Aerodactyl V. Now, this one here, I believe, is a good card. Seen somewhere. I don't know if this is the exact one that you're supposed to hit. I think there's like a alternate art or something. That's cool. Very nice. Yeah, I'm starting to understand it slightly. Roselia. Rockruff, Seal, Shuppet, Marchop, then we got Snova, very cool looking card, and we got Poliwrath, alright, we got Poliwag, Oddish, Growlithe, Lickitung, Slugma, and oh, we got another Radiant. I think that's the second time I've hit that. Look at that. That looks sick. Very nice. And we got Politoed. Well, that looks cool. Oop, bent that one. Don't want to do that. Alright, we've got Slugma, Clefairy, Apom, Litwick, Spinnerack, and we've got Stunfisk. Is that what it says? Stunfisk? And under that we have Stonjourner. That looks cool too. Get a few toolboxes. Alright, we've got Snova, Jinx, Inky, dunno, Farlinks, and we've got Goodra. Oh, so looks like we've got a card behind this. We've got Goodra, and we have... yes! Now, that's not exactly the best one, but that is the dude. Giratina V. Look at that, that looks sick. What a nice hit that is. Sick. Very happy with that. Yeah, we're looking for that. We're looking for his other parallel versions of that. I don't know where that ranks in the cards that are to pull, whether they're any good, but it's one. Poliwag, Oddish, Growlithe, Lickitung. Oh, what do we got here? Chandelure. Wow, look at that. That looks sick. And Cramorant. Bronzor, Jinx, Snova, Inkay, Squavit, and we have Hariyama, I believe that's what you say. And, oh, look at that, Spiritomb. That was a reverse holo, yeah. Spiritomb. That looks sick too. Alright, looks like we've got another full art or something in here. Meditite, Shellos, Mainfu, Litleo, is Lit, Ghastly, and the Misfortune Sisters. That's a trainer, reverse. Very nice. And what do we got here? Oh, look at that. Wow. That looks cool. Very cool. Oh, we're getting through it. So tell me if anybody out there that's watching this actually collects Pokemon. What's the best card you've ever pulled? Ducklet, Zaryu, I can't say the names, Binnacle, we've got Goomy, and we've got Shuppet. And Malamar. And a vacuum. So weird, the things that are in this. Oh, I still haven't got my Optimum 2022 yet. Clefairy, Lickitung, Horsea, Shuppet, Shellos, and we have Seedot. And, oh, look at that. Goodra in the holo. Very nice. Yeah, I knew they wouldn't be here by today, so I'm thinking maybe Monday or Tuesday. So who knows where they are, if it's shipped yet. Because there's been no tracking updates whatsoever. Australia Post have been very unreliable lately. Gligar, Fantop, Sudowoodo, Bronzor, Electrike, and oh, what have we got here? Spiritomb. Now, that looks really cool. Is that like a reverse or a secret rare or what? Reverse art? Something like that? I don't know. You tell me if you know what it is, but that looks sick. Very cool. And then we got a Macago. Oh, I love looking at this artwork, man. It looks so cool. That's the dude on that cover. Come on. Give us that gold one. I believe it's like a gold, black and gold sort of looking one that we're looking for. Apalm, Roselia, Goomy, Meditite, Squavit, and we've got Bernetti. That's nice. Look at that. That's cool. And oh, we've got another one. What have we got this time? Magnezone. Wow, look at that. That looks so good. I love them. I definitely think I'm hooked on these things. So, unfortunately, because I want that special card. I want it. It looks so cool. I might even try and I'll put a photo up of it during this. And what do we got here? Oh, what's that? Look at that. Eternatus V. Wow. That looks sick. Mimikyu. Yeah, I'll find a picture of it and I'll put it up in the video to show you what we're looking for. You'll see what I mean. The card looks crazy. Alright. Basculin, Phantump, Makuhita, Electrike, Murkrow, and we got a reverse of the Lost Vacuum. I'm sure no one's looking for it. No one really wants a vacuum. And we got a Glastrier. Very nice. Got to keep an eye on this camera. This is usually about the point when videos start to get over a certain point. And sometimes it shuts off and I don't notice. Leo, Mainfu, Litwick, Snover, Rhyhorn, and Dark Array, Ooh, Volo in the holo. Very nice. That looks cool. There's that vacuum again. I don't want it. Alright, Horsey, Meditite, Shellos, Mainfu, Litleo, and we got Gliscor. That looks cool. Look at that. And Mimikyu again. Alright, we got Shuppet, Wurmple, Dynamo, Seedot, Horsey, and we got Shellos in the reverse. Anything else? Hoopa. Come on. Where's this special Giratina? Really want it so bad. I love the look of a card. It'd be a card I'd probably get graded. It looks so cool. Rhyhorn, Murkrow, Horsey, Mawile. What have we got here? Makuhita. Look at that dude. And nope. Comfy. Okay. Okay. I reckon I was hitting way more good cards when I was just opening random packs from multiple boxes. But I do love a box break. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that I open a lot more boxes than I do loose packs. Alright, Paras, Inky, and Mimikyu. We've seen that a few times, but not in the reverse. Anything else behind here? Rhyperior. Cool. Well, we're getting low on packs. Is that a koala? That looks like a koala. Have we got any surprises left? Come on. Shallows, Binnacle, Porygon, Ducklet, Blip, Bug, and ooh, what do we got here? Parasect. Cool. That looks sick. Very nice. I like it. And we've got Clefable, whatever you want to call him. Three left after this one. Come on, where's this big card? Jinx, Makita, Bronzor, Phalanx, Oddish, and we got Ambipom? I don't know. Ooh, what do we got here? Giratina V. Look at that. Now that looks very cool. I know how they look really cool, but they're generally not worth a lot. I mean, I could be wrong, but they just look good. There's only a few cards in the set, I believe, that are worth good dollars. But if I get the one that I'm looking for, it ain't going up for sale, that's for sure. It's going into collection. It just looks, the artwork on it looks amazing. I've loved it ever since I saw a picture of it. So that's why I'm opening these, because I want that card. Apparently it's a really hard one to get, so I'm not going to hold my breath. Dynamo, Litleo. It could be, you know, like my gold trophy hunt that I never found. That'll probably be the same thing. I'll never find it. Honchkrow in the reverse. Oh wow, look at that. Porygon Z. Whatever that is. That looks cool. Look at that. Lost Vacuum, get out of here. Second last one. Can we get some second last pack mojo? Alright, Poliwag, Growlithe, Seedot, Slugma, Dynamo, and Clefairy, Electros. Alright, it's going to be down to the last pack. Can we hit something else? No golds. No. Yeah. Oh, looks like we're going to finish with a full art anyway. Alright, Rhyhorn, Apom, Roselia, Goomy, The camera turned off and I didn't notice, even though I was telling myself to keep an eye on it. So we just missed out, I believe. The last pack was this, which I've already pulled before. Oh, I can't believe that camera stopped again. Oh, it's really annoying me now. I've missed a few good, really nice cards because of this camera stuffing around. Even missed like a dusty neon pull because of this camera. So we got some pretty cool looking cards though. Look at that. That picture looks sick. How's that? Reverse. And we got the holo there. I got the Lost Vacuum. Vanetti, Goodra, Seedot. So yeah, as you can see, the artwork on them are pretty cool, and that's why I'm really into it. But I really want that card. I really want that card. Here's another Radiant. I've had this one, I think that's the second time maybe I've pulled that Radiant. And I've pulled this one, this will be the third time I've pulled this Radiant. But you get tons of inserts. I know they're not worth a great deal, but they're really cool. Look at that. Now I'd love to see that in a full art. That looks sick. Dark Array, very cool. Blipbug, Fantina, Manectric, and Barbaracle, and Greedent. And then, so yeah, that was the last pack of the box, but the camera had stopped. I don't know if it stopped before that or what. I'm guessing it did. But yeah, that's the second time I pulled that card. And then we've got this beauty. They look so cool, man. Look at that. Parasect. Very cool. I mean, look at that. Even that looks sick. Doesn't really pop, but it does. Doesn't seem to be popping as much on the camera, but in my hands it's going, well, look at that. That looks very cool. And the artwork on that. Spiritomb, that looks sick. So that looks different to me, like a reverse or so. I don't know. I'm still learning, but that looks really cool. Look at that. Can you see it through all the highlighted lines in it? It looks very cool. Chandelure, that looks very cool. Love it. Giratina, well, we hit one. This is the dude we were looking for. This is not the card we were looking for, but this is the first time I've hit one of his cards, so I'm very happy with that. Excellent card to hit. I'm glad that at least the camera was rolling on that. This one here is actually is high up in the set to collect. I don't know if it's this particular one, but in the set, the Aerodactyl, there's a couple, or one at least I know of, that's collectible and wanted. So it's nice to hit that as well. So we hit two. That looks bloody cool. Look at that. Berserker. Look at that. Love it. And then this also, we got some really nice looking full art cards and V's and V stars and that. Very nice. So yeah, there we go, guys. That is a Lost Origins box break. Sorry about the camera stopping again. I don't know how many packs we missed. Hopefully it wasn't too many, but they were all in the recap. So if you enjoyed that, leave the video a like. If you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more Pokemon, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you've hit in Pokemon. And as always, thanks for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.